Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Different types of stocks and what they mean when selecting stocks. It's essential to consider your individual investment strategy. Factors such as your age, income, and financial goals should influence your decisions. For instance, younger investors might lean towards growth stocks for their long-term potential, while those closer to retirement may prioritize the stability of blue-chip and dividend stocks. Each type of investment serves a unique purpose, aligning with different stages in your financial journey. Understanding these nuances will help you tailor a portfolio that best meets your needs and fosters sustainable growth over time. Once you've grasped the basics, the journey doesn't end there. Understanding how to balance these different types of stocks in your portfolio is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Diversification. Spreading investments across various stock types can shield you from significant losses while allowing for growth in multiple areas. For example, combining blue-chip stocks for stability with a few high-potential growth stocks can strategically position your portfolio for success. Additionally, remaining informed about market trends and shifts within specific sectors empowers you to make well-timed adjustments as needed. Always remember that investing is not just about immediate gains but also about long-term sustainability. As you embark on your investment journey, it's important to continuously educate yourself about the markets. Start by following credible financial news sources, engaging with investment communities online, or reading books on investing strategies. Each resource you tap into builds your understanding and equips you to make informed decisions alongside your growing portfolio. Moreover, taking courses or attending workshops can provide deeper insights that may enhance your skills. The stock market is always evolving, and staying educated ensures you can navigate changes with confidence and agility. Embrace the learning process as a vital element of your investment success. With so many stock types to explore, it can be easy to feel overwhelmed. However, starting with a solid foundation can simplify your approach and make your investing experience more enjoyable. As you learn more about each type, think critically about how they align with your objectives. Remember, investing isn't just about jumping on trends but about building a future that reflects your aspirations and financial goals. By understanding the characteristics and potential of various stocks, you empower yourself to make smarter choices, ultimately paving the way for a more successful investment journey. Choose wisely, stay patient, and keep your focus on the long game ahead. When diving into the world of stocks, familiarizing yourself with the various types will significantly shape your approach. Common stocks, for instance, offer the foundation of ownership and the chance to benefit from company growth through capital appreciation. On the other hand, preferred stocks present a different flavor. They guarantee fixed dividends, advantageous for those seeking steady income, but they usually lack the voting rights that common shareholders enjoy. Understanding these distinctions allows you to create a balanced investment strategy that aligns with your financial aspirations and risk tolerance. Therefore, as you carve your path in stock investing, remember that the choices you make now can have profound implications on your financial future. Choosing the right mix of stocks can feel daunting, but it's crucial for optimizing your overall returns while managing risk effectively. Begin by evaluating your risk tolerance. If you're comfortable with fluctuations, incorporating a higher percentage of growth stocks might appeal to you. Conversely, if you prefer stability and predictable income, weighting your portfolio toward blue-chip and dividend stocks could be more suitable. It's all about finding that balance which reflects both your financial objectives and your comfort level. Additionally, regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio in response to market conditions and personal circumstances ensures that your investment strategy remains aligned with ongoing financial goals. It's essential to remember that while chasing potential returns, emotional decision-making can often lead to mistakes. Market fluctuations can evoke fear or greed, which might compel investors to sell low or buy high. Developing a disciplined approach to investing can help mitigate these feelings. This means sticking to your strategy, regularly reviewing your portfolio, and not succumbing to panic during downturns. Furthermore, Setting predefined criteria for when to buy or sell can provide clarity and prevent emotionally charged decisions that may derail your financial plan. Embrace patience, stay the course, and trust in your well-researched investment choices. Investing in stocks involves understanding their characteristics and potential risks. For instance, while blue-chip stocks provide stability and consistent dividends, growth stocks carry a higher risk but promise significant potential returns. Value stocks often represent missed opportunities in undervalued companies, and dividend stocks bring regular income. Meanwhile, penny stocks may entice with their low prices but are fraught with volatility and scams. As a beginner, focusing on diversified ETF investments can simplify the learning curve while reducing risk exposure. Avoiding impulsive decisions is equally crucial, reinforcing the need for a disciplined and informed strategy. Before proceeding with your stock investments, it's crucial to gain a good understanding of each stock type's unique features. For instance, take a moment to consider blue-chip stocks. These companies often exhibit strong fundamentals and a proven track record of performance. Investing in these stocks can provide you with a sense of security, as they are less likely to be influenced by market volatility compared to newer or smaller companies. Additionally, their tendency to pay consistent dividends can enhance your overall returns, making them an attractive option for both novice and seasoned investors alike. By appreciating what distinguishes blue chips from other stock types, you can strengthen your decision-making process. As you explore various stock options, consider how each type aligns not only with your financial goals but also your investment horizon. For instance, younger investors may prioritize growth stocks, seeking higher returns over a longer period. Meanwhile, those nearing retirement should focus on more stable, income-generating assets like dividend and blue-chip stocks. The key is to ensure that your portfolio reflects both your current financial situation and your future aspirations, allowing your investments to work together harmoniously toward your ultimate goals. When considering your investment options, it's important to recognize the potential of sector stocks. These allow you to focus your investments on specific industries that align with your interests and market trends. Focusing on sectors such as technology, healthcare, or renewable energy can provide opportunities for significant growth as these industries evolve. However, it's essential to remain aware of economic cycles and changes in consumer preferences, as these factors can greatly influence sector performance. By carefully selecting stocks from these sectors, you can tailor your portfolio to capitalize on potential growth while maintaining a diversified approach. Remember to continuously monitor market developments to adjust your strategy as needed. As you advance in your investing journey, it's vital to keep refining your knowledge about stock types and similar investment vehicles. Researching everyday nuances, like changes in market conditions or industry patterns, will amplify your insights into what stocks may perform well in the future. Also, leveraging online tools and resources can help you visualize your portfolio's performance over time, enabling you to make informed adjustments as necessary. Equipping yourself with ongoing education and data-driven analysis ensures you stay ahead of potential risks and capitalize on emerging opportunities, reinforcing your long-term success in the stock market. In conclusion, understanding stock types and how they align with your goals is crucial for effective investing. By blending various stock categories, such as blue chip, growth, and dividend stocks, you can create a diversified portfolio that not only minimizes risk but also maximizes potential returns. As you continue your investment journey, remember that education and strategic planning will empower you to navigate the ever-changing market landscape confidently. Investing isn't just a financial endeavor, it's a pathway to achieving your long-term aspirations and building the future you envision. Thank you for joining us today, and best of luck as you embark on this exciting venture. It's important to recognize that every investment type offers distinct advantages to suit different strategies and risk appetites. As you mature as an investor, strive to incorporate new learnings and adapt your portfolio based on both personal goals and broader market trends. By maintaining a proactive approach, you ensure that your investments grow alongside your expertise, ultimately working together to create a robust financial future. As you solidify your understanding and refine your strategy, remember that the world of investing is ever evolving, and staying adaptable can serve you well on this path. With each stock type, the complexities of investing become clearer. In summary, navigating the stock market involves understanding diverse stock types and how they intersect with your financial goals. By diversifying your portfolio through a mix of ETFs, blue-chip stocks, and growth opportunities, you position yourself for long-term success while managing risk. Always stay informed and adaptable to the changing landscape, and happy investing. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments.